Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Norwegian vocabulary for the workplace. Greetings and introductions. Effective communication is more critical than ever in today's globalized world. Understanding workplace vocabulary and mastering the local language is essential for those planning to work in Norway or talk with Norwegian speaking colleagues. This guide will provide valuable insights into most common and relevant phrases and terms used in various professional settings, whether you are a newcomer or to Norwegian or looking to expand your existing knowledge. If you become familiar with these expressions, you will be better equipped to navigate the Norwegian work environment, foster strong professional relationships, and contribute to a more productive, enjoyable workplace experience. So let us dive into the world of Norwegian vocabulary for the workplace and begin developing your linguistic confidence. Greetings and introductions. God morgen. God morgen. God morgen. Good morning. God morgen, Hans. Hvordan har du det i dag? God morgen, Hans. Hvordan har du det i dag? God morgen, Hans. Hvordan har du det i dag? Good morning, Hans. How are you today? God ettermiddag. God ettermiddag. God ettermiddag. Good afternoon. God ettermiddag, Ingrid. Har du hatt en produktiv dag? God ettermiddag, Ingrid. Har du hatt en produktiv dag? God ettermiddag, Ingrid. Har du hatt en produktiv dag? Good afternoon, Ingrid. Have you had a productive day? God kveld. God kveld. God kveld. Good evening. God kveld, alle sammen. La oss starte møtet. God kveld, alle sammen. La oss starte møtet. God kveld, alle sammen. La oss starte møtet. Good evening, everyone. Let's start the meeting. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hyggelig å møte deg. Nice to meet you. Hei, jeg heter Maria. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hei, jeg heter Maria. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hei, jeg heter Maria. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hi, my name is Maria. Nice to meet you. Jeg heter. Jeg heter. Jeg heter. My name is. Jeg heter Thomas. Hvordan går det? Jeg heter Thomas. Hvordan går det? Jeg heter Thomas. Hvordan går det? My name is Thomas. How's it going? Learning Norwegian vocabulary for the workplace is essential to adapting to a new work environment in Norway. By familiarizing yourself with common phrases and terms specific to your job role, you'll be better equipped to communicate effectively with your colleagues and perform your job duties more efficiently. With practice and dedication, you soon become comfortable using Norwegian in your everyday work life. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no nlsnorwegian.no